Hi, this is Joan of Art, and we talk about that little word that we add to a word or a sentence. And this time, it's that little word ah. In Ilonggo, there are lots of little words that we add to our words or sentences to add flourish to a sentence. This time, it is the word ah.
It's not a word.
Is it an expression?
No, it's a suffix, kind of.
It's not. You don't add it. It's a separate. It's like o or
Interjection.
ah,
Interjection.
but
Put it in, like what are they called?
ah. But it's not like you're shouting, or it's like I don't know. So AMBOT AH. It's like when you trail off.
Could
in
maybe
your
call them
thought.
modal interjections, so they give it a certain nuance.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a...
Yes. But this is only conversational. Now, Pasit mentioned about AMBOT AH. So
AMBOT AH. So apparently what I'm learning here, you can put an ah.
that's a cute little word that Ilonggos add to the main word or sentence, like to make it go with the accent, with the sing song. AMBOT AH, AMBOT AH, AMBOT AH, AMBOT AH. So that's the little ah that goes with the word AMBOT. AMBOT, I don't know, like I don't know. So it's a AMBOT AH.
But when you have already a vowel at the parent, or si ah, then you don't say si ah ah.
No, that's right.
It's consonant.
Imo ah. Oh, maybe imo na ah. That is yours. Ah. Imo na. That is yours. Imo, yours.
Amo
Na.
lang na ah.
Could be. It depends on the usage. So that little word. I'll think up of other little words in the Ilonggo conversation that we add.
Te,
Te. That's
Ta.
different.
ta, eh.
This is Joan of Art, Holger, for that little word ah that you add to a word.